Now, disorder. Disorder may be defined as the abnormality in behavior, lack of normalcy in behavior, behaving in some awkward manner, or temporary disorder of some organs of the body. It is the derangement or abnormality to function. It may be caused, there may be so many causes of disorder: biological factors, environmental factors, genetic factors, complications of birth, improper prenatal care may lead to this to disorder. Sometimes the disturbed family background, quarrelsome parents, quarrelsome other elder family members may lead to disorder. Environmental factors, sometimes a child is born and brought up in a very disturbed background in the slum area, it may lead to disorder. Sometimes when the child is in the womb, the mother is not given proper nutritious diet which she needs in the period of pregnancy, it may lead to disorder. Poor postnatal care, when the child is born, the care which should have been taken just after the birth of the child is not taken, it may lead to disorder. So there are so many factors which lead to, so many causes, better to say, which leads to disorder. Sometimes feeling frustrated, annoyed, depressed, frustrated, irritated, tensed, anxious, these may be also the causes of disorder. So this is disorder. Now there is a lot of difference between disability and disorder. Disability and disorder, there is lot of difference. Disability, number one, disability is permanent, it cannot be cured, number one. Whereas disorder, if treated in the earlier state, it may be cured. Clear? It may be cured. Disability is the impairment of limbs like hands and legs, whereas disorder is the ailment about the normal functioning of an individual. In my notes I have given everything, every topic, every points I have given, just you have to go through and resemble it. Listen it my video lectures and you go through the notes. You can get ready for board exam, class 12 boys. Main cause of disability is weakness of the organs, whereas main cause of disorder is the non-functioning of organs. Disability, in most of the cases, disability is by birth, from the time of birth. Mostly it is congenital. Whereas disorder may develop day by day, but if treated in the early stage, it may be cured. Disability is related to the body parts, and disorder is related to the intellect, mind, psyche, soul, psychology. So these are mostly the difference between disability and disorder. Thank you so much.